I'm taking this video because when I tried to figure out how to take the lock out of my RAM box side compartment thing, I couldn't find any videos on it. I figured I may as well, I got one more to go, so I figured I may as well just record how to do it because it's the same on either side. So first thing you're gonna do is you got these two Torx bolts. And then you get this piece out of it. Next thing is you got this here, and you're gonna take a crescent wrench or a pipe wrench or anything. I've just got a crescent wrench here. You get this piece here. You also get this. And now this piece here. This piece here should all pop off. Yep, like that. Set that there. Now, nothing you have left is to pull your lock out. All you have to do is just give it a little push. There you go. Now you've got everything out, and there you go.